Hi, Charlene here from Radical Feng Shui with Charlene. And if you've seen my little preview video on either Instagram or YouTube, yes, I'm back with a new series. So I just want to kind of review what I've done, tell you about the series, and tell you a little bit more about what I want to do in the future. So in order to review, my last series was all about based on the healing aspect, because I'm in a place where I'm physically healing. I went through each and every section of the 9 sections of the bagua. And I've taken you into a journey on how you can amplify the things you need. I've also posted past videos about each and every section, so I tried to be quite thorough, but now working with the idea of healing, whether it's emotionally, physically, mentally. There's so many things that we can do when we're healing. Now, the next series is taking that bagua and micrositing it into something small that you can work with, something doable and something very tangible that you can put your intentions in to actually create a healing environment for yourself. Whether it's for yourself, other, family, you can create something with your own hands, and by doing it, you're activating the energy of healing. And this is going to be called a power garden. Now, I did introduce you to power gardens last year when I was doing my series on gardening and going through all the spots that you can go into, all the juicy stuff you can do in gardens in terms of geomancy, finding the heart space and all that great stuff. I'll put a link to that in the bottom and a link to the power garden. So in doing that, what we're doing is creating a small garden, and it doesn't actually have to be a garden, but we call it a power garden because there's specific rules and some really specific secrets that go with the power garden. But what you're doing is replicating the bagua on a very small scale. So you're creating something that you're going to put the right colors in the right locations according to the elements. You're going to learn each and every segment of the bagua according to the energy that's there, the numbers that are there, which I talk about in 9-Star Key, and I keep referring to the numbers that go in each area, and how to amplify the specific healing areas like the due east, the thunder gua and the I Ching, the trigram thunder. It is about the ancestors, it's about community and healing. Also, the sacred center is the Tai Chi, so it's about healing. But there's other guas that you might want to look at in your home and then take that healing into creating a power garden. And in the next several videos, I'm going to tell you exactly how to create that power garden and what's important to put in it. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe, and I look forward to bringing this to you next video. Ciao.